members of the parish council, Vincent de Paul, St. Luke's Medical Guild, appeal to everybody, let us form COVID task teams. So as soon as I got this message, I phoned to Father Maverick, Caritas director, Father Savio, Father George, Laity Center. I said, gather people, let's see what we can do in our parishes, in our deaneries, let's see how we can help, little help. We cannot offer specialized help. Many of you know that our hospitals are overflowing. People are going around wanting to be admitted. There is no place. Some told them it seems only if you are prepared, this health way, if you are prepared to remain in our parking place, you can remain. So in this situation, two of the priests came and said, Bishop, shall we at least help by throwing open our spiritual renewal center, at least for those who need just self-quarantine, not specialized help immediately. Because there is one priest for 48 hours going around, doesn't know where to go. So I told the procurator, can you do something? They said, we will do. So first they came to ask me, will you allow spiritual? I said, definitely. Everything is for our people. If people are not alive, why do we need institutions? So they have appealed. 2 doctors have come to help us. We were looking out for a few nurses. We said we'll start at least with 5-10 people. At least we'll take care of them. Just quarantine, give them food, basic help. So 2 doctors have come forward. We got volunteers. Our main problem is nurses. We knocked St. Luke's Medical Guild, Nurses Guild. Most of the nurses have been engaged by the government, even retired ones. We got 1 nurse who has come forward, but we need at least 6. So they contacted some Sister Elsie, who looked after Father Jason, who kept company to him in the hospital. She suggested to me, Bishop, appeal to some congregation, ask them to give one sister. If we have 6 nurses, at least we can start by helping 5-10 people in the spiritual renewal center. We are prepared to put the new wing. So may I appeal to you also. It may be just 10 days, 15 days, not permanent service. We'll give everything. I told the procurator we'll spend as much money as needed. If we can save 1 person, I think, before God. So I'm appealing to you. We need at least 6 nurses. And if we get, I have appealed to others, but like this, I appeal only to you, to others, procurator and Caritas director. If we get a positive response by this evening, then we have to move the government, get the facilities, oxygen. But this is first service. Those who don't know where to go, but don't need specialized help. Those who need hospital will have to go to hospital. But this immediate help, can I appeal to you? I would be most grateful.